Sometimes you just end up finding projects that are too cheap to refuse, and this is one of those cases. Today we're going to be working on this 2-cylinder gray inboard engine made in 1919. This engine has 2 cylinders that are 5 3/4 inch bore by 6 inch stroke and makes 24 horsepower. It is a behemoth of an engine, and it'll be neat to see what it turns out like, and hopefully by the end of this video it doesn't kill me.
Ow!
My friend David picked this engine up last summer from his neighbor. David had seen this engine in a shed at his neighbor's place before 20 plus years ago, and at the time it was completely dismantled and needed put back together. It appears the reason they took it apart back in the day is to replace the Babbitt bearings in the rods and the mains, because the rods have brand new Babbitt and the mains appear to as well. That's how it stayed up until the neighbor's passing last year, and they auctioned off most of his collection of old cars and collectibles. Some items remained on his property that the auction company either overlooked or weren't worth digging out. This boat motor, torn fully apart in a falling down shed, was one of those items. David dug it out of the shed and brought it to the shop, and we're going to see if we can get it running. The cylinders look pretty good after giving them a quick light hone, so we don't really have to do much work there. After looking over the pistons and cleaning them up a little bit, it appears we're ready to go and it's time to start assembling. David made up some gaskets and there's not much else to do than start putting parts together.
There we go. 1 cylinder. Ready? Alley-oop. Oh, that was easy. Yeah, now we gotta get back.
Break it, it might. Tighten it up, because that's uh-oh. It broke.
Do we need that one?
Most likely. David, that broke flush too. Yes, it did. Yeah, it's gonna take longer again.
Go get my drill.
loud, dude. Oh, it scares me.
That thing's gonna be loud.
Oh, it's so loud. Ow! Ow! No, it ate most of it actually. Oh, it broke the petcock loose finally. There was a plug in it. It finally started draining. Cooling's working. For most part. Oh, that one backfire gut punched me, dude. That hit hard. Oh, that
like
hurt.
A pipe diverted down or something.
It's not a bad idea.
If you like this video, please go check out some of my other videos. Maybe leave a like on the video here. Consider subscribing if you liked what you saw, and I'd greatly appreciate it. And with that out of the way, I think this engine turned out pretty cool, and see you next time.